Welcome to today's video, where I'll be revealing the top 10 proven ways to earn online in 2024, tailored specifically for Pakistan. These methods are not just theoretical, they're practical, actionable, and beginner-friendly. And if you stick around until the end, I'll even share a bonus tip that can double your income with minimal effort. Now, I know many of you may be thinking, is this really possible? Or how can I get started? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll be breaking down each method step by step so you can start earning money today. So, if you're ready to transform your financial future and earn from the comfort of your own home, let's dive right in. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Method 1. Freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork. Our first method is one of the most popular and widely accessible ways to earn online freelancing. If you have any skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, freelancing doesn't just limit you to local clients. In fact, some of the best freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTool allow you to work with clients from all over the world. Many Pakistani freelancers are already earning in USD, euros, and other foreign currencies, which significantly increases their income when converted to PKR. Simply sign up on Fiverr or Upwork. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and start applying for jobs. At first, you may need to offer competitive prices to attract clients, but once you've built a portfolio and received positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Focus on a specific 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a method that allows you to earn passive income by promoting products or services. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, promote products through your website, blog, or social media, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. For those in Pakistan, platforms like Daraz offer affiliate programs where you can promote products that are locally relevant. If you want to go global, you can sign up for Amazon Associates and promote international products. The best part, you don't need to create your workouts. Create content in English to reach a broader audience, and target global products or services that are in demand internationally. This will naturally drive clicks and sales. Method 3. Starting a YouTube channel. Another excellent way to earn online in 2024 is by starting your own YouTube channel. With YouTube, you can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorship, program and start earning through ads. As your channel grows, you can also get brand sponsorships, which can significantly boost your income. YouTube is another great Attracting viewers from these regions can significantly boost your earnings. Choose a topic that you're passionate about, whether it's food, tech, or lifestyle. Start creating videos consistently and focus on delivering value to your audience. The more valuable your content, the faster your smartphone launch. Create a review or tutorial to attract views. Method 4. Online tutoring. If you're skilled in subjects like math, science, or English, you can make money by offering online tutoring. Platforms like Preply and Tutor.com allow you to connect with students from all over the world who are looking for help in various subjects. This method is especially lucrative because tutoring rates are higher in international markets compared to local ones. Plus, you get to work on your own schedule, making it perfect for students or anyone looking to earn a steady income from home. Create a profile on platforms like Preply or Tutor.com. Highlight your teaching qualifications and experience to attract students. If you're new, start by offering lower rates to build up reviews and gradually increase your fees as you gain more experience. Offer a free trial lesson or discounted rates to get your first few students in the door. Once you have positive reviews, you can charge more. Method 5. Selling digital products. Another great way to earn passive income is by selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. Once you create the product, it can be sold over and over again without needing to replenish inventory, making it a scalable way to earn money. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy allow you to sell digital products globally, so you're not limited to a local audience. For example, if you're an expert in a subject, you could create an ebook or online course and sell it to people interested in learning that skill. First, create your product. It could be an ebook, an online course, or a set of stock photos. Then, use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your product. Bundle your products together to offer more value. For example, if you've written an ebook, you could bundle it with